So as I open up Affinity, this is what you see. You actually see that I can go ahead and choose different presets right here. But let's say I want to go ahead and make a particular type of document. In that case, you can actually click on the new button, the plus button, and then you get the other document option right here. So over here, you can still see the preset. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and let's say, for example, I can go to A4 page size. And then around over here on the right hand side, you can see the A4 page size as well. You can see that right now it's in millimeter, but you can also go around and change it to inches. The dots per inch setting by default is 300, as you can see right here. That means per inch there will be 300 dots or 300 pixels. That is the level of detail. You can even select the color format. So basically CMYK is for print, which prevents bright colors, and RGB right here is for monitor. The higher the number, the more the detail, like 32-bit is the more deeper colors, while 8-bit is standard but has less level of colors. You can enable transparent backgrounds, enable artboards as you want as well, and there are multiple options as you can see right here. You can even go ahead and set up the margins as you like and work around with scale. As we progress through the course, we're going to go ahead and see all of these options in detail as well. So once I select out the preset that I like and make the changes as I like, I can simply go ahead and click on create document right here, just like this. And once you do that, you got your document and you can use your control right here. You can hold control on your keyboard, use the scroll in and out to go ahead and navigate around. So now you can simply go ahead and start working around with this. So from over here as well, you can go to file. Then if I were to go to new, then you get the option over here as well. So I can go ahead and select out, let's say, for example, A5 right here, just like this. And I can even go ahead and make the changes in inches. So you can see that it is 8 by 5. Now let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in 7 by 7 inch. Go ahead and click on create document. And this is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with new document settings. And as you open it, you can see that both of the files right here are open in tabs. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.